Hey everyone, it is December the 10th and I will be recording this for release on the 11th, and today I really have done absolutely nothing except go to the doctor's appointment like at 7:30 in the morning, and it really hasn't been a day where I've wanted to do anything, and sometimes you need to have a day to do absolutely nothing, and today has been it. I will be going out to the garage for a little bit because I have a couple things I have to do, but I'll probably just be editing video and cross-listing today, so yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. And really, it was a nice day, so I went for a walk, so I'm going to go ahead and finish the walk. I also thought it would be a great opportunity to check out my new chest mount for my action camera, and actually it seems to be working pretty good. I've got it adjusted right, so we're just going to complete the walk now.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus, down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus, down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Here's the Buddhist shrine, I believe it is. That's right at the end of my street, right by my house. And this is actually a pretty nice building. What I need to do is actually get down to the nice temple and show you some shots of that, which is about 2 miles from my house. But this is the shrine. And because the temple is really a beautiful temple. I've been in there before, and even though I'm not Buddhist, it's a wonderful temple. Okay, so now I'm back at the house. I'm going to go ahead and head out to the garage for a few minutes and get the few things I need done. And then I'm going to be working on the computer the rest of the day. So here I am out in the garage. I'm going to get a few jobs done, not too many, because it's still a little chilly to be out in the garage for any length of time. But there are a couple things I'm going to go over. This DVD player that I was talking to you in a previous video, they did do what I thought they were going to do and filed a dispute with Bioprotection about this. But all I did was send them the picture of the serial number, and they compared it against the listing. It took them about 5 minutes to rule in my favor, so I don't have to return their money. eBay did side with me on that one, so now I can actually just throw this DVD player away because yes, it does not work. And eBay has already credited my account for the shipping I paid for the return label, and most likely they're going to bill the customer for that, and most likely eBay is going to give them a very stern talking to about running this type of return and returning products that weren't sold on the platform. So that is the end of the DVD player scam story. Like I said, if you just take steps to guard against these type of scams, you will win every time, as long as you can prove that they are running a scam. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing the couple jobs I need to do, and then I'm going to head inside to do my computer work. Okay, so I got all that stuff done. I found the puzzles accidentally. I just saw them shoved back there, so I got them out. I'm going to be taking those into the house so I can assemble them. It might take me a month or two to assemble those, so they're not going to be done by Christmas or anything. I know that. I actually found this. This is a simple light fixture because I set two of these aside from the garage because I kind of needed them, because in this corner there wasn't a lot of lighting, and so I put one of these already up. That's what this light is right here, and I attached a lamp cord to it so I can just plug it into the power strip. What I plan on doing is getting a separate power strip so I can just have everything plugged in and just flip the power switch on and off to turn on and off the lights. So I'm going to be rigging this one up with a lamp cord as well and putting it up on the other side so I have even and adequate lighting in here. And I do plan on actually getting better like studio quality lighting for photo taking and video making, but one step at a time with that. Now that I got everything like picked up, I got this table all neatened up again. It's not perfect, but I don't think I'll ever be perfect. And then I got everything out of that Media 3 shelf because that stuff didn't belong in there. And I got my packing materials all neat over there in the corner. So yeah, I think I'm ready to work. I left this box out here on purpose because I need to deal with this tomorrow. This is a home theater system. I need to test it. I think I got it for like $1 like 6 or 7 months ago, and I haven't done anything with it yet. I need to test it and make sure everything works in it, hopefully. And then I'm going to list it, probably on Facebook Marketplace and eBay, try to unload it. And hopefully I can get like 40 to 60 bucks for that home theater system and ship it out. It's heavy, so it'd be really expensive to ship, but I think I can get 40 to 60 bucks for it. I'll unpack it in a later video. So bottom line is I'm going inside. I'm going to do some computer work. Hopefully I can get some cross-listing done because I am terrible at getting the cross-listing done. I have a tool that I use to cross-list between Mercari, eBay, and Poshmark, and I've neglected using it. So I got to get all that stuff cross-listed. So hopefully I can get all that stuff done so I can start making more sales. So that's the video today, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.